Hello and welcome to Universal Tools. My name's Terry. Today we're going to be looking at one of our bench mounted 240 volt high repetition crimping machines. Let's have a close look at this thing. So here we've got our bench mounted high repetition crimping machine. It's really ideal for loom manufacturers or somebody that's working at a workstation, doing a lot of crimping of bootlace pins or pre-insulated terminals, even very small copper lugs. It's good for as well. So let's have a look at some of the features. It's 240 volt on off switch here. As I said, suitable for repetition crimping. It does about 1.8 second crimping time, and it's suitable for crimping pre-insulated terminals like your red, blue, yellow terminals, non-insulated terminals. It does cord end sleeves from 0.5mm squared right up to 50mm squared. It's got a crimping counter here, so you can see how many crimps you've done in the last hour or whatever, and it's resettable. Also very easy insertion of the crimp dies, which we'll do a demonstration of. And then also it's got a little cover here where you can put your crimp dies for storage. Foot switch, so you've got two hands on the material. So let's give this crimper a shot. So we've got two sets of crimp dies here. First one here is for red, blue, yellow insulated terminals. This one here is for bootlace pins, and it does from 0.5mm squared up to 6mm squared. These are the sizes that will do 10, 16 and 25mm squared, and then moving up further than that. So I'm just going to put them in so you can see it, and then we'll do a bit of crimping. That just slots in like that. And then the top one slots in like that, and then we're ready to crimp. So I've just stripped a piece of cable, put a yellow pin terminal on. I'm just going to poke it straight in there like that, rest it there. Done. And that's it there. Now we'll do a bootlace pin one. Okay, now that we've done our crimp die changeover from pre-insulated terminals to bootlace pins, we're now just going to crimp a 1.5mm bootlace pin. So you put it in there, and there it's done. So that's our demonstration done of our high repetition crimping machine. As you can see, it's fast, and if you're doing a lot, it saves RSI, which is repetitive strain injury of your hand. And if you think this is a machine for you, then you can visit us on www.uttco.com.au or drop us an email at sales@uttco.com.au, and one of our friendly sales team will be able to help you out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.